Ani ginawa bidasigekwe indishinakas makuendude minawa kakabikan indunjuba. Get it up?
Darrell Indishinakas Giziibiigininjiin. Eagle.
Oh. Oh, get. Ani ginawa bidasigekwe oma nungum ingudaswe ikadonan. So we have the 6 phrases for this week for episode 3 here at my house with me and my husband this week. So our first phrase that we have is a phrase that I like using with my kids when they leave their stuff laying around at home and all they have to do is just put away their stuff. So I like using Giday'iin na inan. Giday'iin na inan. One more time in a slow way. Giday'iin na inan. Notice the little pause there between the na and an. Our second phrase for this week is one that we use a lot because it's important, especially during the winter. We don't want to get sick. Giziibiigininjiin, which actually just means wash your hands. Giziibiigininjiin. One more time in a slow way. Giziibiigininjiin. Our third phrase for this week is another important one that comes with brushing your teeth. With the snow days, we kind of get out of a routine and sometimes we forget to brush our teeth. At least it happens with my kids sometimes. So I tell my kids, Giziiyaabide'on. Giziiyaabide'on. One more time in a slow way. Giziiyaabide'on. Now the fourth phrase I have for this week is kind of like a bedtime routine that I like using with my little youngster. And it kind of tells them, close your eyes, get ready for bed, chill out, because she doesn't know when to go to bed at the right time. So the phrase I like using is Bazangwaabin. Bazangwaabin. One more time in a slow way. Bazangwaabin. Just means close your eyes. And our fifth phrase for this week is just go to bed. When you got to tell your kids go to bed because they need rest for the next day. And I like using Gawishimon. Gawishimon. One more time in a slow way. Gawishimon. And our sixth and final phrase for this week is super important, I find. With the weather outside and so much snow, you can't help, but you need a breath of fresh air and you need to go play outside in the snow. So I like using with my kids, and especially in our house, we like using Izhaadaa agwajiing. Izhaadaa agwajiing. One more time. Get one more time in a slow way. Izhaadaa agwajiing. Me go you go. Giziibiigininjiin. Me gwach Bazangwaabin.